Today we're making dal, and we have 1 pound of split peas. It's 1/4 of an onion, 1 teaspoon of saffron powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, a teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic grated, 2 okra. We're going to wash the split peas and put it in 6 cups of water to boil. Okay, so it's washed and we're gonna put it in the pot to boil. So we added the onion and the garlic. So we're just gonna put it in like that?
Yeah.
Okay, put that in there and the salt, saffron powder. We're going to let it boil. We're gonna put the okra in there whole. So it's been cooking for 45 minutes. Tablespoons of oil. So we're gonna roast 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We added the rest of the garlic and onion to the oil. We're gonna add it to the dal. The dal is done. It's really good.